Ever wonder why McDonald's, Subway, and 7-Eleven are everywhere? It's not because one company owns every store. The secret is franchising, a business model where a successful company lets entrepreneurs run their own locations using its brand and system. Take KFC. Colonel Sanders couldn't open every restaurant himself, so he franchised his recipe and business model. Franchisees pay fees to use the brand and get a proven system, while the parent company expands rapidly. The franchisor provides the brand, recipes, and operations manual. The franchisee invests, manages the store, and follows the blueprint. It's a win-win. Local owners get a head start, and the brand grows everywhere. When you see a KFC sign, remember, it's a partnership between a big brand and a local entrepreneur. Franchising is about duplicating success and creating opportunities for both sides. It's not just about selling chicken or coffee. It's about building a network of local businesses under one trusted name. That's the magic of franchising: local ownership, national power. It's a business in a box, ready to go. That's how brands become household names. And that's why franchising is such a powerful business strategy. As an entrepreneur, you can build a business from scratch or buy into a franchise. Starting from scratch means inventing everything: brand, product, reputation. It's risky, but offers total freedom. Franchising is like buying a house with the blueprints included. You get a proven system, brand recognition, and support. With a franchise, you skip the trial and error. The operations manual tells you how to run things, from cooking to customer service. You focus on execution, not invention. If you crave creativity and risk, start your own brand. If you want structure and a higher chance of success, franchising is your path. Both routes require hard work, but franchising lets you leverage someone else's success. It's not less creative, it's just a smarter way to build a business for many people. The choice is yours. Blaze a new trail or follow a proven one. Ready to become a franchisee? Here's how it works. First, you apply and prove you have the financial resources. Franchisors want partners who can invest and sustain the business. Next, you'll go through interviews and discovery days to see if you're a good fit for the brand. You'll review the franchise disclosure document, which details fees, rules, and expectations. There's an upfront franchise fee, sometimes tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. After opening, you pay ongoing royalties, a percentage of sales, and contribute to national advertising. In return, you get training, site selection help, supply chain access, and a detailed operations manual. The franchisor supports you with marketing, bulk purchasing, and ongoing advice. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. The franchise agreement spells out the partnership. You follow their system, but you're the boss of your location. It's a serious commitment, but the support can make all the difference. That's how you join a powerful brand and start your own business. Franchising has big upsides and some trade-offs. For franchisees, the pros: lower risk, instant brand recognition, and lots of support. You avoid rookie mistakes and get customers from day one. The cons: less creative freedom. You must follow the franchisor's rules. No changing the menu or branding. Ongoing fees cut into your profits, and you're always sharing revenue with the parent company. For franchisors, the benefit is rapid growth with less capital. They expand using franchisees' investments. They earn steady royalties and get motivated local owners. But they risk their reputation if a franchisee delivers poor service or quality. That's why franchisors enforce strict standards and regular inspections. Both sides need each other. Franchisees want a proven system. Franchisors want reliable partners. Success depends on trust, quality, and following the process. The right match creates a win-win business, but both must weigh the pros and cons before signing on. In franchising, you can join a brand or build your own. Most entrepreneurs become franchisees running a business with a famous name, proven system, and strong support. Your job: execute the system, manage your team, and serve customers. For some, the bigger dream is to become a franchisor. That means starting your own business, perfecting it, and then teaching others to replicate your success. You create the blueprint, training, and support for future franchisees. Your profit comes from franchise fees and royalties across your network. Every major franchise started as one great idea, scaled up by sharing the system. Whether you join a franchise or build one, it's all about people, process, and profit. Choose your path: perfect an existing system or invent one for others to follow. Both can lead to success if you commit fully. Know yourself, do your research, and go all in. That's the real secret to winning in franchising.